Hello guys, review Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. This version 4GB RAM memory and 64GB storage, Wi-Fi version. And open box, look completion. Device in the black color. And all completion only Type-C cable. Okay. We have display 8.7 inch, on the back side camera, full plastic body, buttons on the upside, speaker on this side, second speaker, Type-C and headphones jack. Okay. Turn on device. We have display IPS HD resolution, we have display TFT HD resolution. Open settings, look about tablet. We have One UI version 7.0, Android version 15. Okay. And look results Geekbench 6. We have CPU MediaTek Helio G99. We have very good results on this. And Mali G57 results. Okay, close this. Look under the benchmark results. Powerful results, very good for this tablet, for this price tablet. And run PUBG Mobile, look how this game works on the device. Game load and works on the very good graphic level and very high frame rate. Perfect. Okay, close this. Look camera. Max zoom we have 4x. Video we can record in a Full HD or HD. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.